like, subscribe.
Holy snap, you got the cups.
Woo! All right, what's up, guys? So it's actually the day of the show, so we actually have the Mustang all the way over here. Jeez.
It's on the driver's side.
Alex has his on the other side, no?
Part two?
Y'all remember that?
Sure.
Round two.
So we got all the indoor cars over here. Walking over here, you can actually see where we have all the food, which is a huge upgrade compared to the last year's. This is insane, man. And all the cars over there. We'll go over there later, but right now, she wants pretzels. So we're gonna go ahead and get some pretzels. So we got Joe C8 out here on the actual podium. This thing looks crazy. So we got the dark horse over here. Unfortunately, ours is still out right now, but it'll make it to the next shows, I'm sure.
Remember, the trick is, if you seal it with your lips, there's no oxygen going in there. You gotta get oxygen.
Oxygen, yes.
Just leave it, it's like gliding on your lips.
Let her breathe, breathe.
Get in there, man.
Boom, here we go.
Holy moly!
There it is.
There it is. First shot, dump. Second shot, dump.
Done. And time!
Stick.
Hey, 7-1 hit. Here we go. We might have the fastest time here.
Holy snap!
Yeah!
Did you record that? Did you record it? What's the time?
22:96.
22:96.
Hair back right now, getting ready to go ahead and roll. What do you think, babe? Gonna get her round 1, round 2, round 3?
Holy snap, you got the cups. Yeah, holy shit.
We're not even gonna be on the vlog, bro.
Oh, listen, bro.
Hey,
He's always
like, subscribe, unfollow, do all that. Don't watch his vlog. Check me out, Cali, City of Demons. Check us out. Love you guys. Later. Bye.
So we got the dub right now. We just took some photos with it. Like, jeez, bro, so happy right now. All right, so we got a boat in front of us. So we're gonna go ahead and switch this driver mode over here to let's go Sports Plus there. But also we're gonna go ahead and switch the tune here to a little boost tune, nothing too crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and test out what a 2017 Q50 Red Sport does against this boat over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The Q50 did not disappoint. And we got the low windshield wiper fluid warning over here. Get out of my face. Jeez. 1, 2, 3. Just for fun, let's go ahead and see what this thing does just from a complete stop. Not bad. Not bad at all.